Login failed on Ziggma Fix. You open the Ziggma app, ready to review your portfolio analytics or smart score rankings, but instead, it says login failed. It's a common problem, but the good news is, it's almost always easy to fix. First, check your internet connection. Ziggma relies on real-time synchronization with your portfolio data, so if your Wi-Fi is unstable or you're behind a firewall, the login request can't complete. Try switching to mobile data or restarting your connection. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Ziggma, and tap Update. Outdated versions often lose compatibility after security updates. If you're still stuck, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings App Ziggma Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears any corrupted login files that might be causing the issue. Most people at this part wrong. They think their password is invalid, but sometimes Ziggma just needs a resync. Try logging in again, manually instead of using autofill or password managers. If you still can't access your account, tap Forgot Password and reset it using your email. Also, make sure your Ziggma account is verified. If you just created it, check your inbox for the confirmation email. Without verification, the app may block logins. Finally, if nothing works, it might be a temporary outage. Wait a few minutes and try again later. So next time your Ziggma app says login failed, don't stress. Check your internet, update the app, clear the cache, and re-enter your credentials. In just a few steps, you'll be back managing your investments and tracking performance smarter than ever.